Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jill and I enjoy sharing different beauties, tips, tricks, and more. And today I'm going to do a fun little eye tutorial for St. Patrick's Day. I have already put my foundation and everything on the base of my face. So today I'm going to be focusing on the eyes, and I'm also going to be doing a little lip look for you today, using some products that I picked up from Target that I previously featured in one of my shorts. If you want to see those, I will link it down below. And I'll give you a little detail about each one while I'm doing them today. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are enjoying them, please click like and subscribe. It really helps me to grow my channel and I'd really appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take this concealer from Mary Kay, and it is the light concealer. And the easiest way to do this is just dab a little bit on your fingers and go ahead and rub this in for a base. Now you can also use an eye primer, but for today I wanted to use the concealer to give a general overall uniform look before I started to put the colors on. And just go ahead and massage this in really well to get your eyes all prepped and ready to go for the next steps. The first is the color palette from e.l.f. and this is in Hot Jalapeno. And then I'm going to also be using this one from KVD, formerly Kat Von D. And this is in the green flash color. And this is like a stick eyeshadow with a really cool sparkly color. First, I am going to go ahead and apply the gold color all over my eyes and make it nice and even. And then I'll be filtering in a few of the other colors to bring the look all together. As you can see, I have just the gold color applied to my eyes, and now we'll get ready for the next part. And I'm going to go take the stick in the color of green flash, and we're going to go ahead and apply this, and this is going to be pretty bold. So this has a liquidy cool feel and it goes on super easy. So precision is key here when putting this on, and I can already tell that this is going to need a little blending and some work on the outside. So I am going to do a little bit here and a little bit off camera to save some time. As you see, I have it all applied and it is a pretty bold green color, shimmery look. It's really rather pretty. So I'm going to work it a little bit. Like I said, I'm going to do a little bit of blending, but one little tip, this does dry very quickly. So if you're going to do the blending, be sure to do that pretty much as soon as you're putting it on, and don't wait for it to set, because then you're going to need your eye makeup remover to get it all taken off. So then I'm going to move on to this little darker color here. And I'm also going to be using a brush to apply this like an eyeliner. And we're going for bold and dramatic here today. So I'm going to go underneath my eye, and I'm actually going to take it all the way across into the inner corners. Now, a lot of the times I keep mine on the outside, which helps widen or open up the eye. But for today, I wanted to do a different dramatic look. So I wanted to show you guys how taking it into the corners can make a big emphasis on your eye area as well. And emerald green happens to be one of my absolutely favorite colors, so I enjoy playing with this in any kind of way, shape, or form for makeup. This is just a quick look of it all applied. Now for a little bit more emphasis, I'm going to go back to the gold and put it into the inner quarter of my eyes, and this is going to create a nice, bold, unique look. I just love how these colors are coming together for a St. Patrick's Day look. It's so much fun. And it's nice and bold. These colors are really beautiful between e.l.f. and Kat Von D. I tend to still keep calling it that because I loved her products. Okay, let's take a quick moment and take our blender brush and be sure to go all over the eye and just blend together all the colors. You know, if you watch my other videos, I am very big on making sure that everything comes together and there's no lines left behind. Next, I'm going to use a new to me e.l.f. mascara, and this is the Lash Beats mascara in definition and length. And I did like this mascara. It had pretty good coverage, and I feel like it lifted and separated my eyelashes pretty well. Definitely creating a nice look. So again, for sake of time, I'm just going to show you a little bit about the application, and then I'm going to go off camera to finish putting it all on and then let you see. As you can see, you can also see a little difference already just by applying it. And here's a closer look of it on my eyes. What do you guys think? And have you tried this before? Next, I'm going to be using the lip liner by Mary Kay called Berry, and this is a beautiful color. As I've mentioned in some of my previous videos, you can always use lip liner as an actual lipstick. So for today, I'm going to show you guys how to create that look. I always like to start in the middle of my lips and just outline the outside. Even though I'm going to use it as a lipstick, I still like to create that base because it helps to hold everything together. And then I'm going to go ahead and fill it in all the way around. And one of the things I like about the Mary Kay lip liners is they're really smooth and easy to use. The same thing for their eyeliners. They go on super easy and they stay on for a while. So you see I'm going to go ahead and put this in, and you can already see the change, how it comes together with the eyeshadow. And it is really a really lovely color. Next, I'm going to use one of the e.l.f.'s new lip oil, and this color is called Jam Session. And this is just going to add a little shine and sparkle to the lips, making them stand out even more. And I really think the combination of the two is really beautiful. What do you guys think? Here's the final look all together. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this bold look that I did for St. Patrick's Day, and I hope that you will take some time to experiment with your makeup too. There are so many different possibilities out there and so many different combinations to do from so many great companies. So I really enjoy just playing around with it and finding different looks. I hope you guys have an absolutely amazing day, and may the luck of the Irish be with you along the way.